Hello there friends, welcome to Tag and Tag channel. In this video, how can someone tag us on Instagram? So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Step 1. Open an Instagram account. Click your profile account, click setting and activity and click tags and mentions. Okay, click tags and mentions and we can tag you. For example, auto tag from everyone, auto tag from people you follow, don't auto tag. I think don't follow auto tags. You can choose the options according to your personal opinion. If it is the second options, those you follow can tag you. Auto tag from everyone, don't auto tag. Okay, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tag and tag.